Okay guys, this is going to be a quick update. You know, the last video I said we're going to get all the resin done and that's the end. Well, we ran out of resin. So
that's not resin, Ben.
I mean not resin, foam, expanding foam. So we picked up 2 more bottles off Amazon and
okay, cut. Start all over.
Cut.
You said resin.
I did say resin.
Twice. Seriously, like, he's not holding resin, dumbass.
Okay guys, this is Chris and Danielle is right here on the side, chillaxing. But we ran out of resin and I said there wasn't going to be, said resin again.
I keep telling him it's foam, not resin.
Ran out of foam. So went and picked up some more foam, expanding foam. This is the 2 pound. And off Amazon this was about $25. For 2 of them?
Yeah. No, it was $29.
$29 for 2 of them. And so the gallon kits is $49. This is all we need. But we were short. So we used 2 gallons plus these is the 1 quarts, I think?
Yeah, it's
1
quart.
1 quarts. So there we be. Half gallon. And so 2.5 gallons we did this boat. And we still been working. Whew, I'm sweating.
It's hot. Well, I'm in a jacket. How are you so hot?
I don't know. I guess I got more insulation than she does. So we're still you know, working on the windows. I got down there and I did a little bit, but she did most of it.
Well, he used a few things that I didn't. I did elbow grease.
Yes.
I'm just going to have to say that.
And I used a sander.
A sander.
And I used some carb cleaner. Carb cleaner really tears into paint fast. So there will be a video on that. And also, you know, we have more videos coming with this boat. So y'all stay tuned for them. And hopefully we'll meet up on the water someday. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button.
Like this.
Yeah, it's down there. And if you looking for also to get reminded on new videos, hit the little bell. It's down there too by the subscribe.
Yep.
It notifies you if new videos appear, which we slowed down a bit on the videos. My computer, I decided to pour water all over it, so it doesn't work.
But there's going to be a lot.
There is going to be a lot. And if you're looking for great eats, good recipes, also check out dininginwithdanielle.com. You can also get there from chrisdoeswet.com, and it takes you to the same place, but hers goes directly to the recipes.
And it's coming out every Wednesday. So I got one coming out tomorrow, which I don't know. Well, tomorrow's Wednesday for us. But
Let me
yeah.
move in closer. My wife said she wasn't going to be in the video, but then she's all up in it.
I know. I just poked myself into it.
So, and y'all please take care.
Bye.